What if I told you that winning the lottery could ruin your life? Sounds crazy, right? But over 70% of lottery winners lose it all, and fast. Today, we'll uncover why most people who suddenly get rich go broke, and what this reveals about money, mindset, and why wealth isn't just about luck. Imagine waking up tomorrow with $50 million in your bank account. No alarm clock, no boss, no limits. But in just 3 to 5 years, you're bankrupt, alone, and worse off than before. It's not a rare story. It's the norm. According to multiple studies, over 70% of lottery winners lose all their money within just a few years. In the US, the UK, and other countries, the pattern is the same. Sudden money, short-term happiness, long-term disaster. Let's look at some real cases. Jack Whittaker won $315 million. He was robbed, sued, and said, "I wish I'd torn that ticket up." Callie Rogers, the youngest lottery winner in the UK, blew it all by the age of 22. Abraham Shakespeare won $30 million and ended up murdered by someone who pretended to help him manage it. So, why does this keep happening? First, no financial education. They don't understand taxes, investments, or how to protect what they've won. Second, lifestyle explosion. Big houses, luxury cars, exotic vacations. They go from zero to excess without any foundation. Third, toxic relationships. People start calling, old friends, distant relatives, strangers. Everyone wants just a little help. And finally, emotional overload. Money triggers old wounds. People try to buy happiness or escape problems. But money only magnifies what's already inside. Here's the truth. Wealth doesn't change you. It exposes you. If you have a poverty mindset, no amount of money will fix it. The lottery is just fuel. And if your engine is broken, you'll crash faster. Money amplifies who you already are. If you're disciplined, it builds empires. If you're impulsive, it builds destruction. Most lottery winners didn't lose because of the money. They lost because they never learned how to think like the wealthy. But not everyone fails. Some lottery winners win and stay winners. How? They hire financial advisors immediately. They don't tell the world they're rich. They invest in long-term assets instead of luxury. And most importantly, they keep learning. Money, in the hands of the prepared, becomes a tool. In the hands of the unprepared, it becomes a weapon against themselves. So let me ask you this. If you won the lottery tomorrow, would you be ready? Not just to enjoy it, but to protect it? Let me know in the comments. What's the first thing you would do with $10 million? And if this video opened your eyes, hit like, share, and subscribe. Because here on Wealth Facts, we don't just talk about money, we uncover the mindset behind true wealth. See you in the next video.